welcome back to Pro Wrenching. We got a Bass Tracker boat here, and we got a problem where the engine is not working, won't start, the motor's not working with the tilt up and down. And a good hint was it just had a couple of the batteries replaced, and so I'm just checking the batteries and the voltage. You also want to make sure that you've got good ground and positive 12 volts on each battery, and then you want to go through and make sure that your right wires are connected. You're going to need your positive and grounds connected to each battery for the circuit that it's on, and it's very important not to get them mixed up, your power and ground, otherwise you can let the smoke out of the wires, as they say. On this particular problem, I traced the wires coming from the engine. You should have a good power and ground. Your power is usually going to be notated with red. This one, you can tell it's hooked up right to the power. It's got an inline fuse connector, and the other wire with no fuse connector going to the engine is the ground. So as we connected it to the ground, we've noticed that we've got power now to the engine to go up and down. And so we simply need to undo this ground connector bolt and install the connector, and we're in business. And when I'm hooking these up, I always like to have the main wire connector at the lowest point on the battery post, because it's going to have the biggest current draw, so we get the most surface area on the terminal. And so now we've got that in position. We want to make sure that we get that tight. Nothing can be more frustrating than loose terminal connections. Can give you all kinds of problems. And so now we'll go ahead and make sure that everything else is just tight while we're looking around in here. And so everything else looks good, and then we can test the electrical motor up and down again. All right, there we go. Loose ground connection, all fixed, ready to go fishing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.